Hello everyone, we are in the learning e-learning platform and there is a very important and useful Google application Google Classroom. Now we are going to study how to create Google Classroom. So first of all go to the Google, search Google Classroom. So you can see here Google Classroom. So here is Google Classroom application. So we have to just search Google Classroom and go to the website Google Classroom. So here you can see Google Classroom. So I already log in the Google Classroom. So how to create a new Google class? So here we can see the plus sign here appear, create or join a class. So teacher can use this option to create a new class and student can use this option join a class. So here we are going to create a class. So there are two options, create class. So we have to use create class, tick this checkbox and continue. So there are some information we have to fill up here. The class name, my class batch 1. So you can give the class name like FY, BCom, SY, BCom, TY, BCom. We can section, give here section or division, division A, B, and we can use here one or a single classroom for the different subject. So here we are taking mathematics room. We can put here room number and click on the create option. So after that we can see here our class. So the name of the class is my class batch 1, division is here visible, also the class code is here visible. We can share this class code to join the students directly. We can copy this class code and send via WhatsApp group, send via email to the students, or we can give this class code in the classroom to the students to join this class. So student can join this class by using the code. So here we can see this. So this is, we are in the, there are this is our front page, home page. So there are four options: stream, classwork, people and grades. So here we are seeing stream. It means just we can post like a Facebook post. So we can share here something to the students, we can share the notice, we can share the general instructions to the students. So here welcome all. So here we can add various types of files. We can add any file, PDF file, JPG file from the Google Drive. We can add the link from the YouTube or from the website. You can add file, any type of file directly. You can add here a YouTube video also. So you can add the file from your computer which is already saved. So upload from drive, share drives or shared, like this. We just posting here the welcome message. So we can schedule post or save as a draft. So directly we can post here, so student can see the welcome message, welcome all. So in this way we can share a post. In this way we can create a class. After that, next option is class work. Before that we are going to next option, people. So here we can see two options, teachers and two students. So we can add co-teachers here. We are teaching to the same class. So here is the option, we can add our co-teachers from this option. So click on this plus sign. So there is option invite teachers. By writing their email, so write the email and click on the invite option. After that, teacher will join this class as a co-teacher. And how to add students? So we are seeing here student, and the option is here plus sign. So click on this option, invite students. If you have a email ID of students, so you can write, for example, we are taking again the same mail. Click on the invite button, so student can get invitation and they can join this class. So our class, so we can add co-teachers as well as students in this class like this. Now we are going to the next option, classwork. So there are various options. Classwork, here is the option create. So we can post assignment, quiz assignment, questions, study material, and we can use the previous post again and again. So first of all, we can see here assignment. So we can post assignment to the students, give the title assignment number 1. So give the description. So we can write here the question, and we can add the images related to this question for the reference, and click on the create. So we can here assign one assignment to the other classes also. So here we can see the all the classes and all the students here. Then we can here, there are some points we can give for the assignment. We can here type due date, then topic. So there is no topic, but we can classify all the post according to the subject. So take the meaning of topic, here is the subject. So these are the various options. When we click on the assign, so this assignment will be posted into the class. So every student can see this post in the stream tab. So we can post like this. Again, we can go to the classwork, click on the create. Now how to post material. So here various options, we can post study material. We can post study material for the environmental awareness. So various study material we can here we will use the YouTube link for sharing. So you will here search the various videos and you can link these videos in your class. Like this, we can search here the YouTube videos and these videos will be shared. So select any video from the search videos, so add here, so you can add here, and again select the topic or create a topic, EVS, and post. In this way we can post any study materials to the students. So all this data will be saved on class drive or Google Drive to your mail ID.